Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today I'm making Ragi Kheer, or it's also called as Nachni in Hindi, it's called as Ragi in many languages, it's called as finger millet in English. So finger millet kheer I'm making today. It's a dessert which can be served to babies and kids as well. Just ensure you don't add jaggery powder to babies, otherwise it's naturally sweetened, including raisins and dates, and you will watch this recipe and I'm sure you will get in love with this. So ragi, to tell you about the benefits of it, it's rich in calcium, it makes a great summer food because it keeps the body cool. It also has other benefits like it helps in healthy weight gain, brings in great immunity in your body. So let's dive right in and see how to make this now.
I'm taking a bowl and adding dates, cashew nuts, raisins and almonds, all of these to prepare a natural sweetener for this dessert, because this is to be given for babies more than 8 months and I don't want to add sugar or anything which is harmful for babies. So I'm now adding hot water to help this soak quickly. For 10 minutes if you leave this aside, it will be good, and you can see it is well soaked and now ready to be pureed. I'm passing this on to a blender, my favorite Wonder Chef blender this is. Blend it with minimum water. The puree is now ready. We'll move on to the next step. I'm taking a pan, adding ghee. I'm adding some chopped almonds. This is for garnish. If you're making this for kids or toddlers, you can add this, or you can totally skip this step if you're making it for babies. Even adults would love ragi kheer, so for them to garnish and to give it a good nutty texture, I'm preparing this fried nuts. So I'll keep this aside to use it at the end. And now in the same pan, I'm again adding ghee, followed by ragi, nachni or finger millet powder or flour. We now have to roast it well until the raw smell of ragi is gone away. It leaves a nice aroma after a while and the color changes like this. Once done, I am adding hot water. Use a whisk to ensure that there are no lumps. Keep mixing it on medium flame. Allow it to cook, and after a while you can see the color would be like this. Now I'll add milk, followed by jaggery powder. This is optional and only for an year above you can add this. The exact measurement of all the ingredients is given in the description box. Please have a look. Mix it well and allow it to boil. Meanwhile, you can even add pureed dry fruits. We'll again mix this, and now we'll allow this to boil well like this, and it's all ready. At the end, we would add these fried nuts, and after adding that, there is no need to cook. Just mix it and serve it hot. It's best when it is chilled, so once it cools down, you can refrigerate it for an hour or two and serve it for a chilled kheer. And ragi kheer is all ready now.
Another benefit I forgot to mention is ragi helps combat anemia. So hope you like this recipe. It may not look appealing, but I'm sure your kids would love it because it is equally tasty as any other kheer. So make it and let me know how your kids or how your babies liked it. And there are a lot of ragi recipes on our channel. I'll give a link below where lots of ragi recipes can be seen. So have a look at that. And you have any recommendation for us, don't forget to comment and let us know. We'll catch you soon in yet another video. Take care. Bye bye.